So Gibbs free energy basically just tells us whether a reaction will be spontaneous or not. And that is going to be based off the energy, the temperature, and the disorder. Which, as we can see here, Gibbs free energy can be calculated through this equation, where delta H is the enthalpy, which measures the energy of or heat in a system, and then T equals temperature, which is the absolute temperature, and it's always measured in kelvins. And then delta H is entropy, which is the measure of disorder in a system.
Something important to note is when the change of entropy in the universe is positive, Gibbs free energy is negative. Therefore, when you have Gibbs free energy is negative, it's a spontaneous and a forward reaction. When it's positive, it's spontaneous in the reverse direction, and when it's zero, that means the system is in equilibrium and the reaction is reversible.
So delta G can also be seen in graphs, and these graphs will help you know if your delta G is spontaneous or non-spontaneous. And you know this because if the end of the graph is lower than the initial, it means the delta G is negative, making it spontaneous. And then if the end of the graph is higher than the initial, that means the delta G is positive, making it non-spontaneous.